Alright, so the first thing you want to do to figure out where the leak is coming from is get you some soapy water. This is some glass cleaner mix. I mixed a little dish soap in there just to get some soda suds. Spray around the bead. You always want to check the bead first because 9 times out of 10 that is where it's leaking when it comes to a four-wheeler tire like this. Get you a nice good coat. Make sure there's a lot of suds, a lot of soap in the rim of the tire. So you can see, as you can already see, there it is. So you can see I already sprayed this side. Did the same exact thing on this side. Gave me a good coat around. I got 3 major leaks right here. It means the bead's not setting properly. Now this is an old trick around the valve stem here too. Spray that and see what happens. Now this is a trick that my dad showed me. It's an old tire trick. You can use it on cars. I wouldn't, for a vehicle though, it's a little bit different. I don't know if I'll trust doing this trick on an actual vehicle like a car, but I would definitely recommend if you have a leaking four-wheeler tire that's coming from the bead, you try this trick. Get you some brake fluid, .3, .4, whatever you can get. Get you some brake fluid. Make sure it's nice and clean. I have to get a rag. Clean rag here. Make sure it is. Get all that soot off. Now that you know where it's leaking, get as much of it off as possible. Leaving a little bit's okay, it's not gonna hurt anything, but make sure as much of it's off as possible. Now what this brake fluid does is it chemically melts the rubber just a little bit, not enough to where it's an issue, and it's almost like it melts it to the rim. And let that sit. It'll probably take a good minute. It'll take a few hours probably, and then once this side's done, we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. The more I work on this Polaris, the more and more I like it. This shit is literally set up just like a car's caliper. You got the disc right here, spins, and you just caliper bolts, take it out, pads in, put the thing back on, boom. The bleeder valve is right down there. Bro, just like a damn car. So now we just walk this damn thing to my compressor. Alrighty. There's an old truck. Got the ramps on the back. Let's fill her up with air. We're going to put it up on the truck because I gotta back this thing out of here. And let it sit out in the sun. Maybe it'll help.
Soldier.